Hey friends, it's Amy Deb, the Keto Queen. I hope you're having a great day. It's Thursday. I'm looking forward to the weekend. This is the pre-day weekend day. All right, guys, have you ever had mushrooms for a side dish? Now, hear me out. I know some people don't like mushrooms, but these are delicious. All you do is take a container of mushrooms. I'm just using like this little 8-ounce container of mushrooms. I cut them into a little bit smaller pieces instead of the large half. And then look, guys, all you do is melt butter in a skillet. I use 2 tablespoons. You can do 1 or 2. Heavily seasoned with lemon pepper. You get to decide how much lemon, but it is a side dish of lemon pepper. Mushrooms are so good. You just do lemon pepper in your mushrooms to season them up really well, and then you squeeze a fresh lemon, so it's all good and lemony. Have you ever tried mushrooms as a side dish? I would love to know if you like mushrooms. Some people do, or they absolutely don't. For me, I really like mushrooms, but I don't like them mushy. So this can be mushy if you overcook or if you put way too much butter. You really want to make sure that when you cook it on high heat so that butter cooks right out of the skillet. And that lemon juice I put right towards the end. So as soon as these start to soften up, I add the lemon. We already have the flavor of the lemon pepper. And guys, you just saute these until they reach your desired texture and flavor. So I cook it on really high heat. I don't cook it low because I want to cook it fast so that all the juices are cooking out of the skillet so that they're not soggy and mushy. Guys, let me know when you're jumping on where you're watching from. And if you love mushrooms, say I love them. If you like them, say I like them. If you disguise them, just say disguise. If they're disgusting, just say disgusting. No, don't say disgusting. Don't say that. That won't look good for my video. If you don't like them, just say don't like mushrooms. How's that? So you either love them, you like them, or you just don't like mushrooms. No worries at all. I'd just like to know in the comments. Now you hear that? It's cooking high. You can smell the seasoning on these if you're using a really good lemon pepper and squeeze a lemon. It is a really buttery lemon mushroom. Now we're having steaks tonight. Mom come home last night. We picked her up at the airport. Didn't get home until like 11 o'clock last night. But pick mom up at the airport. We've been missing her, so I thought I'd grill us some steaks tonight and have a really good welcome home dinner. So I've got steaks I just put off the grill, and I've got a little side dish of lemon pepper mushrooms, and I did a little side dish of oven roasted green beans, y'all. I roasted green beans the other night. It was the first time I've done it in a while, and they were so good I got excited to do some more. So I know my mom, she loves mushrooms. She has not tried them this way before. So she's visiting my granny right now. She should be here any second. We will see if she likes them or not. She might not, and it's okay. I really like them. All right, I don't want them to get smushy, so I turned it up really high on high heat. Did I hear that sizzle? So if you're watching and you guys are looking for tips to get started, make sure you say getting started. I'm going to send you some tips. And then guys, if you love these videos, if you love this page, make sure you share these videos. Don't like mushrooms. Don't like mushrooms. Oh, Margie says yuck. Yeah, you got to hear me out. I love mushrooms and onion over a hamburger steak. Do I not like mushrooms and onion? I love mushroom gravy over hamburger steak. It's like I do like mushrooms, but only cook certain ways. So I get it. I only like mine to cook certain ways. Like my mom, she loves fried, like a stuffed mushroom at the restaurant. So I'm like, ooh, that is so gross. But I like mushrooms this way. Hey, Kay, how are you? I see Brittany jumping on. Hey, Janie, watching from Louisiana. She likes mushrooms. Yay, Janie. Well, you have to try them this way, guys. I hope you have a great night, but look, our dinner is done. This is how fast this side dish is. So look, you got to at least try it. If you can cook it this fast and be ready for dinner, you got to at least try it. Let me show you my steaks real quick. They're looking good. Let me get out of the way. Oh, that's so pretty. Look at these bad boys. I got us some ribeyes with some blue cheese butter on top. My mom's going to be so happy she came home. I'm so happy she came home. She had a great time in Colorado with her sister and my cousins that she hadn't seen in a long time. So I'm so glad she went, but I am glad she's home. All right, guys, I'm going to jump off here and fix our plates. Y'all have a great night. And if I can help you with anything, make sure you reach out. And I'll see you soon. Bye.